Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create account on LinkedIn. First of all, you can open the LinkedIn application. First, you can download the LinkedIn app in your App Store or Play Store. After downloading, you can just simply open the app, and here you can see this type of interface. So you can just simply enter your email or password to sign in, or you can just simply continue with your Google account or continue with your Apple account, or you can just simply sign in. I can continue with my Apple account, so now I can tap on continue with Apple, and now you can tap on continue. After putting the face ID, the account is created on LinkedIn. You can just simply answer this question, or you can skip this question by tap on cross at the top right corner of the screen. You will just simply tap on yes or no, and now you can tap on enter your email or phone or password, or you can tap on sign in. And this is the way you can create account on LinkedIn. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.